Hi everyone, Dr. Garner here. Let's talk about embracing our inner child. I want you to think for a moment, close your eyes, about a child in your life or your children. How wonderfully curious are they? I've learned so much as a mom of 3 from my own kids, more than I'll ever teach them. And what I've learned is that they do live in the present and they are not ruminating over the past or worried about the future. And that is often where we need to be, but we end up in the left side of our brain, thinking about order, control, which can lead to fear, an amygdala type of hijack, a phrase that Daniel Goleman coined in his book a long time ago called emotional intelligence. So how do we tap into the right brain? The right brain, which is curious and creative, that requires us to be okay with the unknown. Creativity is born, right? Some people say it's born out of boredom. Well, boredom is not knowing what's coming next, right? So creativity, you could say, is born from being okay with the unknown and uncertainty. That means moving out of the left brain, which is verbal, into the right brain, which is nonverbal. How do you do that? That means we embrace sound. We embrace music, right? So we're going to tap into that right side of the brain with something called a Brahmari breath in yoga, but I switch it up a little bit because I want you to first notice no tension, and this should be silent as you inhale. My chest should not rise. This should not create, you should not see tension here. And then I want you to dance down, making sound all the way through your exhale, like watching a waterfall or whatever imagery that you want to use. As long as I'm talking here, I'm exhaling. Now, you're not going to talk because that's the verbal side. I want you to access the non-verbal side. So a hum sigh, as you slide all the way down as far as you can go. If you're a singer, you could sing a phrase that you love. It doesn't have to just be the buzzing breath of Brahmari, the way we think of it in yoga. One more time. There's magic in the number 3. Like whatever you do, enjoy it, have fun with it, but come back and revisit this as many times as you need to during the day to relieve stress.